So, welcome back to another Random Hobby Channel. Part 2 ng pagbubukas. Kinakabahan ako. Ayan, hindi na damage. Good. Kraven's Cut. Bilisan natin. Venom's Hunger. Spider Islanders. Starling Aerial Ally. Whoosh. Spider-Bot. Spider Rex. Merciless Enforcer. Spider-Man's Heroic Horde. Spots Portal. Vulture Scheming Scavenger. Cheering Crowd. Wisecrack. Island. And Robot. Akin yun. Sak-sak. Batsi-batsi. Para tapos na. Spider Manifestation, Shock, Mysterious Phantasm, Vibrant Cityscape, Guy in the Chair, what the hell? Common Crook, Stegron, Dinosaur Man, Police Captain, Ant-Man, hindi pa lang yung batang Ant-Man naman. Oh, Rhino, nice. Spider-Girl, very nice. Kraven. Whoop. Sinister Hideout. And Spider Token. Bilisan natin para matapos na ating paghihirap. Kung may soulstone dito, why not? Stable Experiment. Bagel, Scorpion Sting, Gallant Citizen, Taxi Driver, Spectacular Tactics. Is this worth MTG? Ezekiel Sim, Spider Totem, Wisecrack again, Custom Closet, Friendly Neighborhood, Noshman Ashburn, into a Green Goblin, Swarm of Bees, Plains, Treasure, and actually may isa pa. Kaya pa ba? Parang hindi na. So, pangbukas na lang natin siguro to. Hindi kinaya eh. So, that's all for now. Walang soulstone. Hopefully, nandito siya. And, yeah, that's all for now. Pakmas! Ciao!